Alright, let's just go straight into the program. So let's start with our first category. We appreciate every nominee here tonight. And it's not only the ladies at large. But once again, definitely we have to give it up to Global Ovations Limited for putting this great event together.
Women's Choice Awards Africa 2019 Humanitarian of the Year, Dr. Kwame Che, Dr. Kwame Despite, Jocelyn Dumar, Victoria Michaels.
Good evening, everybody. I'm here to present the Humanitarian Award for the year. The winner is Kwame Despite.
It's actually a great honor to be with you this day. Sorry, my voice is down. I just want to say that His Excellency would have loved to be with you tonight because of one or two engagements. He wouldn't be able to come. I want to say that when it comes to women empowerment, you and I know the role that he's played. Empowering women across the globe, empowering women across Africa, empowering women especially in Ghana. And you cannot talk about empowering women without talking about the beloved wife. And you and I know building the economic blocks or the socio-economic block of Ghana, women were part and parcel of that struggle. And anytime you talk about President Rawlings, you cannot talk about even the revolution. Because the revolution came into being to pick Ghana out of the abyss of corruption. Women, farmers, fisherwomen, people all over Ghana were part of that struggle. Some were pregnant, but they believed that no, this is a worthy cause. Some had only a bread, but they were prepared to share that bread with others. I am here to tell you, if you are a woman or a man, core responsibility that you have to do is to believe in women and empower them as people that have what it takes to take this country to the next generation. Somebody asked President Rawlings, now what was the power behind you for all these 19 years? And he said, it's not the man, it's the women. Clap for yourself if you're a woman here. The Lord bless you. I will hand it over to my colleagues at the office.